Hey there, Janet from Paper and Spark here. Thank you for tuning in to the video tutorials for the Etsy import add-on spreadsheet. Now, if you've recently purchased the Etsy import add-on, which if not, it's available for sale at paperandspark.com, that means you should already also own a main seller spreadsheet. This Etsy import add-on isn't made to be used to do your Etsy books all by itself or like be a standalone bookkeeping system. It's designed to be used with an existing Paper and Spark seller spreadsheet. So you are using this to quickly import in your Etsy sales, refunds, fees, all your Etsy stuff, and then you're going to transfer these totals over to your main seller spreadsheet. That could be like a Shopify seller spreadsheet, an Amazon seller spreadsheet, whatever system you're currently using. So that is what I will be showing you how to do in these videos. This is just going to be a brief introductory video to show you how to access your file and all that good stuff. In the videos after this, I will walk you through how to import in your Etsy CSV. You will see me do that in an Etsy seller spreadsheet. It'll have more tabs along the bottom, but the import in steps work exactly the same with your Etsy import add-on. So your purchase includes this file. Just like all Paper and Spark spreadsheet files, you can use this in Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. You will set your year up here in the pink cell just so that the months in these columns are showing the appropriate month for you. But unlike your seller spreadsheet, there are no categorized tabs down here that use dated formulas to sum up on your monthly summary tab. So there's nothing date based here. You can use this file for whatever year you want to import in your Etsy CSVs for future, past, or present years. Just like with anything you purchase from Paper and Spark, you can access the file itself over here in your account. Once you log into your account and you look under Downloads and Resources, you'll see one called Etsy Import Add-on. This is where you can download the most up-to-date version of your file and access all written and video instructions if you need a refresher on how to use it. If for whatever reason you don't already have an account on our website, just email us your purchase information at support@paperandspark.com. So your Etsy import add-on will have one summary tab here where after you copy and paste in your Etsy statement CSV into one of these blank import tabs, you will automatically see a bunch of data populate here for you. So with one quick copy and paste, let's do an example. I'll show you how to do this in detail in our next video. Everything you need to know from Etsy will populate here in these blue rows. So we have your Etsy revenue, all of your sales, your refunds, your different various Etsy expenses, including ads, including shipping, and everything is summed up here and net against each other, your total Etsy sales minus your total Etsy fees, to show you your net Etsy profit, and it will also total up your deposits that hit your bank account directly from Etsy. You can minimize this detail by hitting these plus or minus signs on the left-hand side of your screen if you don't want to see the breakout of all of that information. But in the next video, I'll show you how to find that report, how to paste it in, and what all these different amounts mean so that you actually understand what numbers are showing up for you.